Maskwera say muri Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kariki kutanga kukia hapa nino channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Na uchungwa garoka subscribe. Don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi muri Zimbabwe takuigira hii Honai Chamisa wakati na funeral yakato kuchivi kwa chivi during the weekend muri Zimbabwe wakaenda wachichema an 80-year-old Petronella Mukwenda muri Zimbabwe mother-in-law wa Honorable Cheza muri Zimbabwe wa Chamisa kumbukuona awarapo. This was his first public appearance muri Zimbabwe kubapa vakabambato Citizens Coalition for Change muswa 24 January. So wakabuda Honai Chamisa wakanyora pa X endo ya ondofunga mkuona iyo rapo wakataura iwo wachiti in chivi laying to rest our mother and a great citizen, the late Petronella Mukwende. 8 years she was a community leader, church leader, social worker and citizens mobilizer. Women are the pillar of society. R.I.P. Gogo Mukwenda. Ndozo kabuda kuchinyorwa na Nelson Chamisa wa Zimbabwe. Nelson Chamisa wakatambirwa zakanaka during this event waka introduce kwa na amoshibaya kuti vaite a speech iyo yakatambirwa nevanhu zvakanaka muri Zimbabwe. This was his first public appearance zvirambotaura ndafuka pane video ratambokupai ripo pachannel pedu vaNelson Chamisa vachiita speech yavo muri Zimbabwe. Even the Change Radio iyo yaikava this event yakabuda pa X endo vakataura vachiti President Chamisa consoles Honorable Cheza and family after death of his mother-in-law. Today, President Nelson Chamisa made his first public appearance in Chivi to pay his respect at the burial of Honorable Patrick Cheza's mother. The deceased's name is Petronella Mukwende, born 4th April 1944 and died on 8th March 2024. It was President Chamisa's first public speech since leaving the Zanu-PF infested Citizens Coalition for Change Party in January 2024. President Chamisa arrived to console the grieving family and expressed his condolences. He mentioned that his heart was heavy with sorrow upon hearing of the beloved mother's passing. He offered words of encouragement to the late mother's children, relatives, and friends, urging them to stay strong and seek solace in God during this difficult time. Shitaurwa ni Change Radio vakataura vachiti vakataura pamusoro pa Honorable Patrick Cheza. So can see Honorable Patrick Cheza has been facing severe criticism from Barbara Rodzi, a member of parliament from Zanu-PF Chirumanzi South, as well as other senior Zanu-PF members. They have been aggressively trying to seize Cheza's productive farm, leading to disruption in its high productivity. Honorable Amos Chibaya also attended the burial of Cheza's mother-in-law, expressing his support for Cheza and the entire family during this painful moment. Several pro-Chamisa members were present at the funeral as well, including Masvingo City Mayor Alec Tabe and Honorable Matthew Takaona, Honorable Emmanuel Chidaushe, among others. Those are Buddha. Shitaurwa ni Change Radio muri Zimbabwe. Tisingade kuwesta nguva yenyu muri Zimbabwe titangokuratidza video Honai Chamisa welcome yavawana, a warm welcome yavawana kwachi during this function muri Zimbabwe. Ona video rimotidza murufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section. Kana musana subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe kuti rambe tichikupai nyaya dzakaita seidzi. Thanks for watching.